That's what Sweeney has one.
Anyhow, as Goon just mentioned, the players are going to be working their way up over back here from the locker room to Haluba. So the players will be walking by. Again, please do not bother them for autograph requests right now, or hurt each other. Let them get to their workouts, and but certainly voice your support. That's for sure.
That's why we're here. We're here for these guys right now.
You're following the blue band.
Wow.
They said we couldn't do this.
You want some more?
I
don't know. If everybody moves that way, then we're not going to see any.
This is during the day. It's not.
We're no rabble-rousers in this crowd. Let's get some chants going back there.
Penn!
By the way, cool band guys, thank you, man. You guys are great. Let's get something going. Let's get some drums going.